Today we are going to explore the new update for Vibe Voice Realtime, which supposedly performs real-time text-to-audio conversion. To run this, we will use Pinokio, a platform that acts like an app store for installing various AI tools. I have previously created a video about the latest Pinokio updates, which you can check out here to find out more about the new functions. Okay, and without any further ado, let's get started. To begin this tutorial, I have Pinokio already installed. Inside the interface, you can find Vibe Voice Realtime. When I attempted to download it, the system prompted me to update to Pinokio version 5. One of the main advantages of this version is the optimized support for a specific real-time model. Once the installation began, the system started downloading all the necessary models and dependencies. While the core model is relatively small at 2 GB, the total size, including all requirements, reaches approximately 9 GB. After the download finished, I was able to launch the program directly with the browser integrated into Pinokio platform. The interface is straightforward and supports multiple languages, including English, German, French, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Dutch, Polish, and Spanish. For our first test, I used the default prompt given by the software here on top.
Enter your text here and click Start to instantly hear the Vibe Voice Realtime TTS output audio.
Wow, impressive. Okay, let's try it with another voice. Let's see another one in English. Let's try with this one, Davis, and with the same text and see how it performs.
Enter your text here and click Start to instantly hear the Vibe Voice Realtime TTS output audio.
Wow, impressive. I just click on Start and start talking immediately. Let's try with another voice, in this case, a female voice. Let's try with this one, Emma, and see how it sounds.
Enter your text here and click Start to instantly hear the Vibe Voice Realtime TTS output audio.
Okay, and before we continue, I want to mention that if you are interested in creating AI-generated videos, audio, or images, I have a discount link in the description below for OpenArt. This platform features the latest AI models, allowing you to generate high-quality content without needing to download anything to your local machine. So check out the link in the description below. Okay, let's continue. Okay, now let's test with a different voice and also with a longer text. So we copy here the text, which is one from my previous video description about Pinokio 5, and we paste it here.
Pinokio browser tutorial. Install AI local no code. Local AI installer Windows Mac Linux. Pinokio Update 2026. Run Stable Diffusion locally. Comfy UI one-click install. Pinokio versus manual installation. Local LLM installer. AI troubleshooting Ask AI. Remote AI execution VPN. Open source AI programs. Free AI tools for creators. Pinokio pros and cons. Managing Python dependencies AI. 1.2 GP installation. Hunyuan 1.5. Pinokio Creator Productivity 2026. Local machine AI benefits.
Wow, it's super, super fast as we can see here. Okay, let's do another one, but in this time we are going to do it in Spanish. So I'm going to have this text similar as the one we did before, but in this time we are doing it in Spanish.
La versión 5 de Pinokio ha incorporado un módulo de detección de actualizaciones en el arranque Startup. Esta funcionalidad permite que al ejecutar la plataforma, el sistema valide de forma automática la versión actual y emita notificaciones push en caso de existir parches o actualizaciones de seguridad disponibles, garantizando que los modelos de código abierto operen siempre en su versión más estable.
Wow. So here the sound of the voice, it sounds like it's from Colombia or Latin American Spanish. I'm not sure, but it's super fast as we can see here. Okay, now let's choose another one. Let's choose another voice. This one also in Spanish and see how long it takes.
La versión 5 de Pinokio ha incorporado un módulo de detección de actualizaciones en el arranque, Startup. Esta funcionalidad permite que al ejecutar la plataforma el sistema valide de forma automática la versión actual y emita notificaciones push en caso de existir parches o actualizaciones de seguridad disponibles, garantizando que los modelos de código abierto operen siempre en su versión más estable.
It's super fast. As soon as I hit here on start to read immediately. Okay, in conclusion, the application is extremely easy to use. A significant advantage is the ability to save generated voices as WAV files, which means it's uncompressed, ensuring high audio quality. Is it fast and supports a wide range of languages? However, unlike the full version of Vibe Voice, which I showcased in another video, this real-time version currently lacks the ability to clone your own voice from a short audio clip. And looking ahead, if the developers release an API for this real-time version, it will be a game changer. It could be integrated into call centers or customer service chatbots to create a high-quality, real-time virtual assistant. While I'm not sure if this feature is coming soon, it represents a massive opportunity for the tool. Okay, and this is for this video. If you find it useful, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell for notifications about my future content. And if you need any help with any creative or AI-related projects, you can find my contact information below. LinkedIn is the best way to reach me. And if you enjoyed this video, I invite you to watch my other video about the full version of Vibe Voice. You can click here to find out more. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.